Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here, and today I'm going to have fun flying FPV with the TobyRich Smart Plane Pro. You have watched my video. This plane, all you need is a smartphone, Android or iOS, and this plane offers unlimited amount of fun. With this little app you can configure a lot of things to fly. With a flick of up and down and double click, you can do a lot with this plane. Last time I was enjoying line of sight flight, testing everything. I even lost it in the river. It just went straight and dropped in the river. It floated for 5-10 minutes until a fisherman fished it out, and the plane was still working. How amazing it is. Even the FPV system was working. So today, in this video, I'm not going to fly line of sight. In this video, I'm going to fly the plane with FPV and enjoy FPV. See how it feels to fly FPV with this plane. So let's get to it, shall we? My goggles are ready. And I also brought another 5.8 GHz goggle just in case the DVR of this goggle decides to not record anything. So we will have another goggles to record FPV feed from this plane. That is why I brought two goggles. I don't want to lose the FPV feed. That's the feed that you people want to watch, okay? So here we go. Goggles on. Push the battery in. Plane is on. Turn the app on. Come on, you can do it. Takes a little while. But here, we have the launch, okay? At the moment, it's in helicopter mode, so remember to double-click your screen, phone screen, smartphone screen, or device screen, to put it in airplane mode. Otherwise, in windy days, you won't have good, performance or good results. So, goggles are on, and I'm gonna record the video. It's recording, and I'm gonna lock these goggles. The good thing is this plane transmit 5.8 GHz, so any 5.8 GHz video goggles should be able to lock onto the signals, and you can have as many as you want. Give a free ride to all your friends and family members if you have many goggles. And this one is recording as well. Now I will use the original goggles that came with the plane to fly the plane and enjoy FPV. So here we go. Alright, I'm gonna launch in helicopter mode and then take it from there. It's easy to take off in helicopter mode. Man, very beautiful views.
Airplane mode.
Okay, airplane mode. Make a turn because this is a Bluetooth, so you don't want to go too far. Wow, man, this is awesome. I mean, just move your phone left and right, and you can actually fly it. How amazing it is. Superb. And I'm gonna do a roll, okay? And there's a fart in the end as well. Oh, we are going to crash. More throttle. There's a fart in the end as well. That is awesome.
Warning.
We landed just behind us, actually, crash landed. Let me go pick it up. Recording.
Helicopter mode.
Helicopter mode. Here we go. It is absolutely stable in helicopter mode, basically. And you have a very good camera angle to view when in helicopter mode.
Airplane mode.
Airplane mode. Awesome.
Sail mode. Take control.
Yeah, sail mode. Just the propeller speed comes down, but the plane actually flies. So if we have winds, it should start sailing if we are high enough. So I'm putting it in sail mode again.
Warning. Engine off due to block propeller.
I didn't turn off the sail mode at the right time. Okay. And here's my plane.
Helicopter mode.
Helicopter mode. We go in helicopter mode. We can actually hover. Oh, I hit myself. So, taking off in helicopter mode. Making a turn. The stability on this plane is amazing. It's amazingly stable that you can actually have a lot of fun steering it around. You don't have to worry about flying it. You just steer it around with your phone and enjoy a perfect FPV ride. You can even take pictures while up there. Look how wonderful it is. I mean, oh man, I'm actually having a lot of fun with this plane, man. This is absolutely amazing. Can I hit myself? Can I hit myself? Yo! Oh, get up, get up, get up! Ah!
Warning, low battery.
Low battery. All right, let me stop recording. This time I'll take some pictures. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.